What are you doing?
What are you doing right now?
I'm doing the shoes right now.
Is
Take my picture?
there a special way of doing it?
Yeah. I gotta put the Holy Cow on there, which is a scrubbing formula.
What's it called?
Holy Cow.
What does that
First
do?
I wipe them. First I brush them with a wire brush on the bottoms for the cleats. Then I take the Holy Cow and I put it all over the shoes. And then I take a scrub brush like this and I scrub it to get all the pine tar and all the stuff from the field off it.
How long have you been doing it?
I've been doing this for about 23 years.
I bet you're good at it.
Yeah, I'm okay, I guess.
And you do all of these behind it?
Yeah, I do all of them.
How many pair a day?
Right now I'm doing about 60 pair a day.
60 pair a day.
Yeah.
What would your tip be to somebody out there that wants to do this for a living?
I would say that they got to start at the bottom and maybe be a bat boy, and then you get to become a clubhouse guy if you're good enough at the bat boy and you're interested in it, and then you become, you can do the shoes or do some of the parts of the clubhouse.
And then you might be a giant someday.
You might be a giant, you might be somewhere else, you might be with another team.
All right.
You never know.
All right, buddy. Thanks a lot for sharing your life with us.
Oh, thank you.